mathematics today. Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm panicking actually.
No, no, I'm not feeling nervous.
Easy, we had already done those questions before. It was mostly from the previous year question.
Are you prepared for maths?
Yes, completely.
पढ़ाई करो, distractions हटाओ और कुछ नहीं. लड़कियों के साथ बात मत करो.
Maths is not my strongest subject, so yeah.
According to me, I will get full.
Our school teachers, they don't teach the way like we understand.
I like science more than maths.
Maths, it's okay only.
It's okay. Hello, everybody, and as you all know, I always conduct interviews on the days of exam for class 10. So today we had come to KV3, Kendra Vidyalaya 3, and the students of Shai were here. They were really cooperative, parents were also cooperative. I'm actually proud of the students who cooperated. Some came forward by themselves, and that is really great. They asked me if I can cooperate, and they did cooperate well as well. So here is the campus of KV3, not Sai, of KV3. Here it is. Some KV students are here as well. I can see the uniforms, and all of them were nice. The students of Sai, they were all nice, and there were some who did not cooperate only because they were shy, but all of them were pretty good. Some did come in group, and all of them in group were as well nice. And here's the grade. They didn't come out of here; they come out of there. Usually, I think it was their last exam. All of them were quite happy because the exams ended as well. And here are the bus and the road. Parents were gathered around here, but now it is empty for obvious reasons. It's deserted now. All of them went back, and I'm going to go back as well. So this is basically a reaction video. You all might be knowing already. So here are the reactions of some students and parents. So be sure to watch till the end, and it's going to be really fun because all of them are nice. So, ma'am, is your child appearing for the 10 board exams?
Yes.
Son or a daughter?
Daughter.
Daughter. One more daughter. Yes, good. How is she in studying?
She's average.
Average.
Yes.
Okay. That was an honest answer. Mathematics today, are you scared?
Yeah, I'm panicking actually. I want to see her face when she comes out.
If she's happy, then it's good. If she's ultra happy, then it is not good.
Let's hope for the best. I'm keeping my fingers crossed.
Which is her favorite subject?
English.
English. I'm an English teacher, as a matter of fact.
Okay, that's nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for cooperating. Was she prepared for the exams?
Yeah, obviously it is 10th board, so she has to prepare. No other way around actually. So yeah,
Thank you so much for giving us your precious time, ma'am.
thank you.
Julie's Classroom. It is an educational channel, sir. So, is your child appearing for the 10th board exams?
Yes, yes.
Son or a daughter?
Son,
Son. Okay, okay. How is he in studies?
he's very good.
Yes.
Excellent, doing well.
Which exam is there today?
Today's mathematics.
Mathematics. Are you feeling nervous for your child?
No, no, I'm not feeling nervous.
आपने अपने बच्चे को कितना घंटा पढ़ते हुए देखा है मैथ्स?
No, no, he's good in math. In fact, he has been into all India mathematical Olympiads. He has scored well in that. So he studies well. He studies well. Also, he does well in other activities. He's a quizzer. Quizzer. So I'm happy. But I have left it on his own, right? The way he wants to study. So I don't force. Neither I tell him no. Follow. I mean, he follows a routine. So he's good. But of course, there is a lot to improve.
Yes,
So,
that's
lot to improve. I'm happy that you guys are doing all these things. So you enjoy doing all this?
yes. I actually enjoy doing all this. This is my passion. I teach English.
Oh, you teach English?
Yes, sir.
So after your graduation or what? You have,
I haven't graduated yet, sir.
you have done your 12th.
No, sir. I'm in class 8.
Oh, class
Do
8?
not tell anybody. It's a secret. It's a
So
secret.
what's your plan like?
I want to clear UPSC.
Okay, okay.
What is your sir naming to do?
I'm Agarwal, Raman Agarwal.
Raman Agrawal. That's a beautiful name, sir.
Dr. Raman Agarwal.
Oh, you are a doctor. Wonderful.
PhD.
Yes, yes.
PhD in economics. I take an interest in all these things, including YouTube activities. I encourage people. I'm a motivational speaker.
I wanted to meet you, sir.
I'm happy. So let's be in touch, okay?
Sure,
So
sir.
any help, even you can connect.
How can we be in touch, sir?
I can give you my phone number, right? WhatsApp
Yes,
number
sure. After the
after the event. So right, any help because I encourage people to do right to be social, to help others.
I also aspire to do PhD someday.
Oh, no doubt. Thank you very much.
Thank
Nice
you.
talking.
See, we had already done those questions before. It was mostly from the previous year questions. It was very good. I hope I will get full.
You hope you will get full. Why do you think you will not get full?
There can be some minor mistakes. I can't say for sure.
Okay, okay. So you didn't check the paper, did you?
I checked. I had 45 minutes left at the end, but still.
But you still have doubts. You won't get full.
Yeah, I can't be certain about it.
Okay, you can be certain, but approximately
Yes, I think like 90% chances I will get full.
90% chances. 10% is a huge gap. Do you know that?
It's alright. Depends on the who is taking my paper.
Yes, yes. Depends on the examiner. That's okay. That's okay.
I prepared for like 5 hours every day. I practiced lot of questions, and it was I prepared throughout the year because I was very strong in maths. It wasn't much botheration for me during the preparation.
Okay, okay. So you've been preparing the whole year. That's actually nice. Don't count on the last 10 days. Prepare for the whole year. That helps you a lot. Yeah.
Okay, studying 2 hours for every day is more than enough for scoring full in any subject.
Ask the audience to subscribe to Julie's Classroom.
Subscribe to GD's class.
Thank you so much for your cooperation, ma'am. Thank you so much. Shriyanshi. Which is prepared for maths?
Yes, completely.
Completely okay. That was quite confident. How did you prepare?
YouTube's and NCRT.
YouTube and NCRT. Any other reference book?
R.D. Sharma.
R.D. Sharma. Did it help?
No,
No.
came between the NCRT only.
That is good for you, huh? So, how many hours did you prepare for?
4 to 5 hours.
Each day? Okay, that's quite important. Any tips for viewers?
Just study. Just chill and study. No need to take pressure only.
I can see you really like maths.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your other favorite subject?
Science.
Science, maths and science. You going to take science? I suppose.
Yes, yes.
One more science student. Okay. It was really nice meeting you. Thank you.
My name is Chinmay Ashmanjit Das.
Okay, it's really nice to meet you. Which exam did you appear?
I appeared my mathematics standard mathematics exam.
Okay. Very preferred for your exam?
Yes.
What's your favorite subject?
Currently, it's maths because it was way too easy. So yeah, it's
It
maths.
might change, so it's fluctuating. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Which was it before?
Before it was English because that was the easiest.
It's not actually. I'm an English teacher.
Okay, but still English grammar is
Good for you. Grammar is actually easy if you learn it properly.
exactly.
Do you have any advice for our viewers for how many hours should they prepare?
पढ़ाई करो, distractions हटाओ और कुछ नहीं.
What according to you are the distractions?
क्या कैसे बताओ? टीवी बंद करो, फोन पकड़ो, बट थोड़ी देर के लिए लड़कियों के साथ बात मत करो.
Okay, that was some real piece of advice. Thank you so much. Can you ask the audience to subscribe to Julie's Classroom?
Subscribe to Julie's Classroom.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Are you prepared for maths?
Yes, of course I was.
Nervous?
Yes, kind of. Maths is not my strongest subject, so yeah.
Okay, okay, that was really honest. Okay. What's your strongest subject?
Science, bio.
Science, bio. Aren't they both like correlated?
Yes. I'm going to take PCB next year, so I was
Without maths. Okay, that's a good decision. Any advice?
like, prepare PYQs if you are appearing 10th next year. PYQs and all, they came repeated this year too. And yes, prepare from NCRT. Half of the questions were from NCRT. Yes.
Okay.
That's all I did this 10 days.
So, how many hours should a student prepare for?
Before exams, if I say like max 6 hours, I was preparing for like 6 to 7 hours a day. But like normally, 4 to 5 hours normal days.
That's also cool. You have a lot of patience. Thank you so much for cooperating. Would you ask them to subscribe to Julie's Classroom?
Yeah. Please subscribe.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Advik Das.
Advik Das. Okay. How was the exam?
It was very easy this time.
Very easy.
Yes.
Like, how did you prepare for maths?
I prepared very hard, but this was very easy comparatively. I thought the paper was going to be very difficult, but it came very easy.
Can a person score full marks in maths?
Yeah, this exam, yes.
This exam, yes. Are you going to score full marks?
Yeah, most probably.
Most probably. Why do you think most probably? Which question was the hardest?
No, it depends upon the invigilator, but according to me, I will get full.
According to you. Well, that's really nice. You have a lot of confidence. How did you prepare that you feel like you'll get full?
Yeah, I prepared
Nice, yes.
Like 2-3 hours or 4 to 5 hours?
No, per day 6 to 7 hours.
Per day 6 to 7 hours. Okay, it takes a lot of patience.
And with break.
With break, yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Who can sit in one go?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Where do you prepare for most of the time?
In my home.
In my home. Okay. Any like online preferences?
Online preferences. Like, I was not watching any online videos. I just watched one applications of trigonometry. But other than that, yes. I watched it from Shobit Nirban. Yeah.
Any tuitions that help you too?
Yes. Rao sir tuition.
Rahul sir's tuition. Is it an academy or a personal tuition?
No personal tuition.
Well, that's nice. Shout out to Rahul sir.
Rao sir.
Acha, Rahul sir. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Can you ask them to subscribe to Julie's Classroom?
ਬਾਬੇ ਦੀਆਂ ਮੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਡੋਂਟ ਕੇਅਰ
Subscribe to
Julie's Classroom.
to Julie's Classroom.
Thank you so much, Shadow. What's your name, sir?
Livyansh Prasad.
He was ready for the interview. Okay. What was your exam today?
Mathematics basic.
Mathematics basic. Okay, that's a bit too harsh. Was it a favorite subject before?
Absolutely not.
I can see that. I can make out by the face. Okay, then how was the exam overall?
It was pretty good. I have started studying from the past 3 months. I was like failing in math since 7th grade. But now I have an expectation I can get above 70.
Okay. Well, that is quite an improvement, guys. Yes, that's true. So, like, how did you improve?
My father set me up with a home tuition, and our school teachers, they don't teach the way like we understand, but the home tuitions, they make us understand by any means of practice, and by that only I could understand the whole book and finish 20 sample papers within 2 days.
Okay, that's quite an achievement. Well, that's true. He spoke the mind of many students. School teachers don't actually make a lot of students understand. Yeah, but I can't say that for my school. Don't. So, like, are you expecting good grades or just above 70?
I'm expecting good grades,
All thanks to your home tuition.
all thanks to my practice and my knowledge.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Thank you so much for your cooperation, sir. And may you keep all this practice and all, and may it bring you ahead in life. Okay. Can you ask the audience to subscribe to Julie's Classroom?
Please join the classes and achieve success.
What's your name, dear?
Pranavi, it's
Where are you from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Actually, like my native place is Andhra Pradesh, but I'm staying here since my childhood.
Okay, that is great. I can see that. Okay. So, how many hours did you prepare for in a day?
Like we got 9 hours, like 9 days approximately. So the entire day I was doing maths only. So approximately. So,
You were completely devoted towards it.
yes, because it was the last exam, so we don't have to put time for some other subjects. I was just doing maths.
Okay, last exam.
Yes, last exam. For me, it's last exam. Like other people have AI and all, but for me, it's last exam.
Okay. So, is maths your favorite subject?
I mean, yeah, it is, but I like science more than maths.
You like science more than maths? Going to take science?
Yes, science I'm going to take, but most probably I might take PCB. So
Okay,
not
PCB.
yet. Yes, not yet confirmed, but yeah, mostly B.
Okay. What are your future plans? What do you think you're going to be?
I mean, I don't exactly have, but most probably I'm interested in research works and all. So
So, PhD and all?
yeah, let's.
God bless you.
Thank you, thank you.
You'll go ahead. Thank you so much for
Thank
approaching
you.
us. Oh, by the way, can you ask our audience to subscribe to Julie's Classroom?
Yes, please do subscribe. Julie's
Classroom.
Julie's class.
Thank you so much. How was the exam?
It went good.
It went good.
Yes.
What's the degree of good?
It's like 70s around. Like
Percentage or marks?
marks out of 80.
Okay, that scares me. So, what are you going to take in your levels?
Science, PCB.
How many hours did you prepare for in a day?
To be honest, for maths, I wasn't able to do maths that good. I used to prepare around 5 to 6 hours a day. Then
That is sufficient. I think it's good enough. The whole year or in these past 10 days?
no, in the whole year it was like 2 to 3 hours. In the past 10 days, it went to 5 to 6 hours around like that.
The past 10 days I went crazy. That's nice.
Yes.
Okay. So, like, did you have high expectations for these exams and did it complete?
Maths, it's okay only.
It's okay only.
Not achieved only. Yes, it's okay.
Okay. You conquered it.
70-30?
70-30. Okay.
Yes.
That's nice to hear. Well, what is your advice for the students?
Nothing, study the whole year, not like the last 10 days won't work for you guys.
He's saying from experience, I think. Yes, take that advice. I also recommend that. Well, can you ask the audience to subscribe to Julie's Classroom?
Guys, subscribe to Julie's Classroom. Nice experience with them.
Thank you so much for your cooperation. So, what are you guys' name?
Sanvi, Swai.
Tyasha Mahapatra.
Okay. Wait, are you guys like sister or friends?
The friends.
Okay. That's really nice. So, you two had the same set or different ones?
Different.
Yeah. Okay. Which one is better?
One.
One, I guess, because 3 wasn't that similar to this one.
Okay. So, which one did you appear?
3.
One.
Like, how do you think you were going to get marks?
Probably, well, this time it was a better maths for me after all. And I guess I'll just get like somewhere at 60, 70 for between.
60-70 marks.
Yeah.
I expect 75 plus.
75 plus. Do you like maths?
Yes.
Since when?
Like from class 2.
That's childhood love for us, guys. Do you like maths?
Not really, but if it's part of the knowledge, then I would like to, like see it for myself in a way.
Okay. Actually, I love students who like maths. I love those who admit they don't like maths. It takes guts. So, what are you going to take in 11th?
Humanities.
Humanities. Yes, we found one. What are you going to
Commerce.
take? Commerce. Okay, we found one as well. And why do you choose humanities?
Because I wanted to study psychology. Within that, I can take IAS one option and another as psychology therapist, like something like that.
I love both the subjects, guys. She's my type.
I want to pursue my dream as a CA.
Okay, that's also great. May God bless you both, and thank you so much for your cooperation. Can you ask the audience to subscribe to Julie's Classroom?
Subscribe.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. If you like the video, then like and subscribe to Julie's Classroom, and obviously share this knowledge worldwide. Along with that, comment in the comment sections if you want me to come to your school. Thank you so much.